Good day, money makers. We're going to talk about the new feature that Royaltie added. Um, it's called the social media feature, and what it does is it automatically posts pictures. If you want to load pictures up, and what the picture does is somebody clicks on your picture, it actually brings up a sales page, or either a sales page or a landing page, either one you want. So yeah, you can click on, and they have different categories you can actually click on. So you can add an image, or you can actually upload your own image here. So they have different categories: fashion, education, business services, cosmetics, and these are just all um, loaded stuff. Now, if you had your own image, of course, that would kind of work better. Let's go with the credit service here and see what they got for credit service. Okay, I don't care for that one too much. So let's see what else they have here. Add image, e-commerce. Let's try that. That's very popular. E-commerce. See what they got. So if you did have like an e-commerce store and you had a couple like a picture of what you're selling, that'd be awesome. Uh, let's see. I'm just looking at stuff that probably I can do real quick, so I can show you how this actually works here. Uh, let's try fitness. Okay. Yeah, fitness. That'll work. Okay. So we're gonna go with this image here. We're gonna select it. Select. It's gonna format. Um, that way you can put it on your desktop or either your mobile phone. And most people are on their mobile, so it'll formulate it for you. You just click OK there. Um, so we got our image already. Um, let's see. Select. So that's our image. We can add text if we like. So let's see. We want to add text. We can add text here. Say create a better. We can change our fonts here. Yeah, that works better. Let's put today. AY. Oh, excuse me. Exclamation point. Okay. Regular. Font size. We want it normal. We want it aligned like that. We can change the color if we wanted for it to stick out a little better. We could actually change the language on there. Okay. Learn how to create balance in a hectic site. Alright, we're going to use one of my landing pages that I already have. So, actually, that's not what I put there. Okay, so, with the royalty program, if you come at the $89 level, if you come at the $250 level or the $399 level, you can actually have your unlimited uh, landing pages. So I have several here. So this looks like more of a start by you changing the inner person. And what that program is, it's an actual program that I sell. It's just about creating balance and balance in life. It gives you helpful tips. It has 13, actually more than 13, like 20 instructional videos of how to create balance and mindset ideas and stuff like that. So we're going to do that. So if we want to post, we're going to actually save it first, and then we can post. Okay, message successfully created. Let's see if it actually posts. What? So you would save and exit, and then what? Um, they still working on some of the kinks right now. So, what you can actually do here is actually copy the link, go to your Facebook, actually post your link in here, and then kind of delete it there, and then say create a new you today. All right, we're gonna make that public. We're gonna actually post that. So what's gonna happen is I'm gonna actually click on my site here. Um, actually come up there. And then, as you can see, change the inner person. There is my landing page. So this is awesome. So if you have a video or if you have click funnels or anything like that, this is a great way for somebody to actually come apart, and you can actually build your list off your Facebook. Um, and you can just have people sharing, and then they actually will get in contact with you. So yeah, this is actually a great tool. Again, provided by Royaltie. I'll leave the link for Royaltie inside down below. Click subscribe and the bell so you can get more notification. And also, I have this program that I'm actually advertising right here, and along with the different other programs that I have with the video. At the bottom of the video, just click the link and it'll pop right up, and you can get involved. All right, we'll see you next time.